This recipe is brought to you by RecipeLion.com. Barbecue pulled pork sandwiches don't need to take all day or be difficult to make. I agree, there's something to be said for an outdoor smoker to slowly cook the meat. But believe me, this recipe is delicious, and I grew up traveling through East Carolina, which is well known for its barbecue. To make barbecue pulled pork, you'll need 2 to 3 pounds of country-style pork ribs, a bottle of your favorite vinegar-based barbecue sauce, a can of cola, water, a bottle of your favorite ketchup-based barbecue sauce, fresh ciabatta rolls, and homemade coleslaw. Prepare the onion by giving it a good rough chop. Put the onion in about 4 cups of water. Add the can of cola, then the entire bottle of vinegar-based barbecue sauce. Now you're ready to add the country-style pork ribs. Add enough water to completely cover the ribs. Place the cover on the pot and simmer for about 1 hour or until the rib meat is fork tender. Remove the meat from the pot and let it cool in a large bowl. When the meat is cool enough to handle, break off pieces and shred them, removing all visible pieces of fat. Now add the entire bottle of ketchup-based barbecue sauce and stir it into the meat. You may want to toast your roll or just enjoy it with red onion and coleslaw. But it's for sure that any way you serve this up, it's one sandwich you're going to love. Thank you to RecipeLion.com for sponsoring this video. Please subscribe to the channel to get more great recipes.